Hi guys, my name is McKenna and welcome back to PV Unboxed. So today I am super excited to be unboxing the October set of Pura Vida bracelets. So if you guys didn't know, if you're a part of the bracelet club, you can get this cute little exclusive set of bracelets sent to you every month for just $14.95 a month. I think that's a really good deal. So I'm super excited to open this. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's just this cute little peace sign and then it says choose kindness on it. If you guys didn't know, October is actually anti-bullying month. So I think that's awesome that they are raising awareness for that and putting the choose kindness thing on there. Oh yeah, it even says it right here. On the bottom right here, it says in support of National Bullying Prevention Month. And then I think this is awesome. At the top, it says, we're always trying to be more sustainable. That's why we switched to 100% biodegradable bags that are certified compostable. I think it's so cool how they're trying to be environmentally conscious. So let's just open it up. So this is the first thing that I see in here. It just says, thank you, founded in Costa Rica. Each purchase helps provide full-time jobs for artisans worldwide. That is so cool. I did not know that. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. There's another card inside there that says how your subscription gives back. It supports hundreds of artisans, steady income, employment opportunities, and positive work environment. That is so cool. It feels so good to be like supporting a company that does good things for people. It also comes with this cute little sticker. And then moving on to the bracelets. Here's what the bag looks like. It's so cute. I'm really liking their packaging. So here's the first bracelet. This is actually really cute because it kind of goes with like the October theme and just like Halloween and like spooky season. I really like how the bracelets adjust, so then you don't have to like tie it in a knot or something and like never be able to take it off. You can just like adjust it to fit the exact size of your wrist. So I think that's really cool. Very handy. Here is the next bracelet. This one is really cute too. It's just black and it has like white and gold beads on it. These two look really cute together. I'm really excited to wear these together. This is what the next one looks like. It's just black and then it has like maroon and gray stripes on it. These all go so cute together. And then the last bracelet, I love this one. It just says be kind on it. And then on the back of that, it just says Pura Vida. And it's this like really cute teal color. This one is super cute too. All of these bracelets are adorable and I am so excited about them. If you guys want to check them out, make sure to go to PuraVidaBracelets.com. Again, I highly recommend them. It makes me really happy that I'm supporting a company that does really good things for the world. And yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys like this unboxing and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.